In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a color drop-down menu in the end-user workspace. And yes, we're going to use GraFx Genie. Alright, so here we're working with fresh produce. As you can see, we created different colors. The box color in the center, the black one, is going to be the one that's going to be interesting here. So we're going to go over to the variables panel. We're going to create a new variable. So in this case, it's going to be a text variable. Let's go with color. And we're going to create a list variable. So click this single select list in the drop-down menu. And now we're going to create as many items as there are colors. So we're going to create 5 items. And we're going to rename it according to the colors. So we're going to do black, green, orange, red, and yellow. Now that it's done, we're going to duplicate that black color. And we're going to rename it. Let's go with box color. And that's actually going to be the color of the box that's going to change every single time. Now we're actually going to have to link it up. Select the box and select the box color. You can see it at the bottom. It's named, so it's actually really easy to use. Now let's go and create an action. So I'm going to click that add icon and we've got that window popping up. And we're going to add a trigger. So it's going to be variable value changed. And we're going to select our variable, in this case color. And now we're going to go to the action tab. And if you're like me, you can code. We're going to use GraFx Genie. So click on GraFx Genie and we're going to add something pretty easy. So let's go with change the box color according to saved colors. And now what we'll do is click generate and we're going to wait for Genie to do its magic. So as you can see, it's generating the code. Don't close the window until the code has been generated. And once it's done, so basically after a few seconds, you can go ahead and click that create button. Let's rename our action to make sure to keep things super nice and tidy. So in this case, let's go with color change. And now let's go to the variables panel and check it out. All right, so let's click edit. And at the very top here, we have our drop-down menu. And now we can select different values. And now we can select different colors. And the color is going to update in real time on the ad. All right, so now don't forget to save. And let's go check it out in the end user workspace. So here we're in the end user workspace. And as we're opening it, we can see our drop-down menu. We can select different colors and the update on the ad. So that's what the end user is going to see. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below to find out more about Chili GraFx, follow us on socials, and get certified. See you around.